go to the 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐞𝐬 knife and tool sharpener, the #1 rated and best reviewed sharpener on the market. This is a perfect knife sharpener for chef's knives, paring knives, serrated knives, fillet knives, cleavers, you name it. If you own a knife, you need this sharpener. It features a V-notch sharpening slot with diamond-honed tungsten carbide sharpening blades, an ergonomic grip, and full-length finger guard. The high-grade industrial-quality tungsten carbide sharpener restores your double-bevel blade with just a few strokes. Due to its unique design, the blades are reversible and replaceable to double its life. Simply place your knife on a stable surface with the cutting edge up and the tip extending just past the end of the table. Place your sharpener at a 90-degree angle and with a light pressure, draw the sharpener along the blade's edge past the point of the blade. You will feel the tungsten carbide shaping your new edge with each pull. The easy-to-use dishwasher-safe 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐞 knife sharpener comes with a lifetime warranty.